Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at a brand new chord, which is C-add-9, and we're going to be adding that in with the actual first verse of the song. Okay, so in previous parts, we've done the E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7 sus4. We've done it with the pulse. 1, 2, change, 3, 4, change, 1, 2, change, 3, 4. But this time we're going to be playing it as if we were going to do the first verse. Okay, so first verse of Wonderwall, it goes around E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7 sus4 3 times, and then on the fourth time it goes to C-add-9 and then to D sus4, and then it holds A7 sus4 for a whole bar. So all these parts we've been changing every half a bar. So when you get to the final C-add-9, D sus4, you hold the A7 sus4 for a bar, which would sound like this: down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, and that is a whole bar. Okay, so of 4/4 that is. Okay, so without further ado, let's go around the first verse. So here we go. You're going to count it in 1, 2, and 1, 2, change, 3, 4, change, 1, 2, change, 3, 4, change, 1, 2, change, and. Okay, so that's twice round. E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7 sus4, and then we're going to go to C-add-9, D sus4, A7 sus4, and you hold that for a bar. Okay, so I'll go over that little bit that's been changed. So we're going to go from the C-add-9. So 1, 2, and 1, 2, change, 3, D sus4, A7 sus4, 1, 2, don't move, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the first verse. And if you were going to do the second verse, you'd be going around the sequence of E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7 sus4 4 times. And that would be your 2 verses. Okay, anyway, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.